guys want to train with me, it's so simple. All you gotta do is go to powwow.com. You'll be prompted to sign up here. It's absolutely free. Put in my password. Really cool. You create your own powwow profile. Again, it's absolutely free. Put in what you're looking for. Your age. Almost you take this really cool questionnaire. It is global, so you're going to put in where you are. There you go. Your profile is created. Continue with this customizable program that is personalized. You get to pick out what your goal is. So if you want to lose weight or get fit and stay fit, get tight and toned, build muscle mass and strength, eat clean, de-stress and detox. If you want to find your inner zen, you can do that here. It's so cool. So a lot of my clients want to lose weight, so I'll click that one. Now you want to click on find a class, and there you go. I'm gonna pop up. You're gonna see JNL Gym right there. And if it doesn't pop up for you, you just wanna click right there in this search. And just enter in Jennifer Nicole Lee and click right there. And there you go. Here's my online studio. So sign up.